This might be the quickest and easiest way to lose a lot of weight really fast. But is it right for you? I'm Aisha, welcome to Glamorous, and today we're going to be talking about the Soul Food diet. We're sure that by now you've heard all about Adele's recent weight loss. And while we absolutely love Adele and think she looks incredible no matter what, we had to find out more about this amazing diet that claims to help you lose up to 15 kgs in just a few weeks. And that is the Soul Food diet. So we decided to break it down for you and figure out what all the hype was about so that you can decide whether this diet is right for you. To know a little more about this, type the word diet in the comments below and we'll send you some incredible soul food recipes for you to try. Soul foods are mostly plant-based foods that are super rich in antioxidants and basically trick your body into burning off all that unwanted fat a lot faster. The diet limits the calories that you eat and encourages you to fill yourself up with these superfoods over anything else. This works because these foods are rich in sirtuin activators or SIRTs, which are proteins that activate your body's skinny gene by telling your body to rev up your metabolism, increase your muscle mass, all while burning off incredible amounts of fat at the same time. This diet actually caught everyone's eye because it advertised soul foods like red wine and dark chocolate. But there are also a ton of other foods that are rich in SIRTs that you can eat for a balanced diet. Some of these are leafy greens like kale and parsley, and fruits like apple, citrus fruits and strawberries. There are also meats like chicken, egg whites and salmon, and you can also throw in some of our favorite flavors like onions, garlic, turmeric and chili. And finally, you can top it all off with some tasty drinks like green tea or black coffee. There are two phases for this diet. The first phase lasts 7 days and the second phase lasts 14 days. For days 1 to 3, you should limit your calorie intake to 1000 calories a day, drink 3 soul food green juices, and make sure one of your meals are soul food rich. So for example, on day 1, your meal plan will start with a soul food green juice made out of kale, celery, parsley, apple and green tea, and you can follow it up with a small bowl of yogurt and some fresh fruit. Before lunch, you can drink another green juice and then eat a leafy green salad as your soul food rich meal. Snack on some fresh fruit like apples or oranges in the evening along with your third green juice, and end your day with a small chicken breast, some seafood or some noodles and veggies. For days 4 to 7, you can increase your calorie intake to 1500 calories a day, drink 2 soul food green juices and make sure 2 of your meals are rich in soul food. So for this meal plan, you change things up by eating slightly larger portions of each meal and swapping out one of the green juices for something like green tea or coffee. So after this first week, if you follow the diet correctly, you could lose up to 3 kgs. So in phase 2, you can keep your calorie count at 1500 calories, drink 1 green juice a day, and make sure all 3 of your meals are rich in soul foods. If you're still following your meal plan religiously, you could lose another 3 to 5 kgs after these next 2 weeks. After this, you can increase your calorie count to whatever feels comfortable, but stick to a soul food rich diet. An average daily calorie count is around 2000 calories. So you will be reducing quite a bit of your daily diet. Calorie numbers always go over my head. So to put it into perspective for you, one large pizza is around 2000 calories. So to be following this diet, you're going to be eating around half to 3/4 of one of those tasty pizzas in a whole day, but you'll be eating healthy foods instead. The foods encouraged in a soul food diet are extremely healthy and nutritious. They help build immunity and they might even reduce signs of aging. No foods are really banned in this diet. So if you stick to the suggested calorie count, you can still indulge in a few treats from time to time. The diet overall is a super fast and effective way to lose weight. So it might be a great option to lose weight quickly for an upcoming event. It can be dangerous to cut down on so much of your daily meals, so you might feel lightheaded or have a few headaches for the first week as your body adjusts. And if you're anything like me, you might be a little grumpy as well. The soul food diet might be initially difficult to follow, especially in our Indian households where we love our oil, ghee, and heavy carbs. Another huge drawback of this fad is that the weight loss might be temporary, so as soon as you go off the diet, your body will gain a lot of the weight back. To be honest, there's not that much research surrounding this diet, so before you get on board, we always recommend you speak to your doctor or nutritionist first. If you have diabetes or you're pregnant or breastfeeding or a training athlete, then this diet is not for you because it'll throw off your blood sugar levels and also reduce your nutrition too severely. So this is everything that you need to know about the miraculous soul food diet. We hope that we've shared all the information that you need to decide whether this diet is right for you. Remember to type diet in the comments below to get some amazing soul food recipes that you can try. Make sure that no matter what you choose, you're always staying safe and healthy. So until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.